And Enugu State Governor Peter Mbah went to visit Gentle Mike Ejeagha for his famous music Gwo Gwo. This is very appallable, but I must say this, that we, Africa, need to start thinking like the Western world. Now, this guy is famous. He's a legend in the music. What Enugu State government should do after building the road is to build a museum on behalf of this guy. If you know me very well, I've been promoting. I love Egedeге. I love some of the great actors and actresses like somebody like Peter Dochi too. What this Peter Mbah should do now is to make sure that the family of Mike Ejeagha surrender all his musical equipment, everything that he used to sing, should be surrendered to Enugu State government. Or maybe he should pay them off to get hold of those things. And what they do, they build a museum on behalf of Mike Ejeagha, and ensure that he signed them all. When he signed them, or some of them that he signed, they should all safeguard them for people to come and see. The people pay little money today. You make it as a village. This is how Western world generates so much money. When you build those things, Mike Ejeagha does not have much to stay. We know that. So what we do, people comes, we tell them story about Gwo Gwo and other Mike Ejeagha catalog, all his record, his old pictures, even his clothes, even that jigta that he's playing. We need it. These are money-making machine. If you know some places in Asia like Vietnam, Cambodia, these people eat with tourists. All these things are collectible. I myself that I'm talking to you, I am someone who collects a lot of things. So if the family want, I can actually pay and buy it from them and safeguard the whole thing. Mike Ejeagha clothes that he wore those days, they should keep it for us. His jigta, his instrument, the way he sing, even interview now to get some words from him now. Guys, we need objective. This is just money-making mention. I wish somebody who knows Peter Mbah or somebody who listen can utilize this thing. And if you are a content creator, you go to Mike Ejeagha, and I'll give you some expo. Make sure if the family decide to sell his old picture, buy it from them. If they decide to sell his old jigta, even though it's rake, buy it from them. What you do at the end of the day, build a museum in reference to him. This is how life goes. You make so much money. There's so much money in tourism. Forget that we are saying oil this, oil that. There is so much money to be made in tourism, and that is what we need to use Mike Ejeagha to do. These are great people. These are great talent, really ones that we generate, create so many jobs. I'm passionate about this, because I have traveled extensively. I know what tourism can bring. In fact, it can bring more money than even the oil you are saying. Because what happens if tourists come to your area, they buy things from the local, they lodge in a hotels, it opens areas. What we have to do is to build a very secure place for them and make sure that security you employ people as a security guard to make sure that tourists comes and go safely. And also water, good roads, accessibility. This is a way to create job. It must not be all about doctors, it must not be all about nurses, it must not be all about engineer or banking, or maybe building cars and things like that. But this can create job for our old women, our younger ones. You have people that will clean the whole thing. People that will stay with Mike Ejeagha and study things about him, that will tell story when people comes. They will relax. When they come, they can buy coffee, they can buy drinks, and do a lot of things because they came to listen to this legendary, man that have touched so many people around the world. Guys, please, if you know this Peter Mbah, talk to him and tell him that we need this man collection. Keep it safe. Buy it from the family, or if they decide to donate it, let them donate it for you. This is money-making machine. Build a museum. Have access with for people to go in there. Believe me, in 1 year, you will make times 4 money you spend in doing all these things. Thank you, and let me know what you think.